Hi everyone, this is Timothy W. Kabul and I will put some brown sugar and milk and small water. We're gonna mix it like this, and we're gonna put it a mellow. And this is a quick show. Everyone just click and
Kapuan, makakuha ng laptop, mabubuan.
Bianca, umamin ka na. Bianca, what is believed?
Mabubuan.
we're gonna cut
What fancies? Wala kang worry about their fault. Hirap naman kasi maniwala. Every time kaya I brush my hair. Pinilit niya ako mag-fancy.
Nourishing Provitamin formula strengthens every strand of your hair.
Now, I can brush my hair hundreds of times na hindi na worry about hair fall. Aamin mo na. Thank you for convincing
like
me.
this. We're gonna put it
Try more.
mellow.
B&J. Sa iyong buong pusong paglilingkod sa bayan at pananatiling tapat sa ito.
And also
Mananatiling buhay
we're gonna put it like this.
na marami ang tulad mo na itinuturing na karangalan ang magsilbi sa
And
kapwa Pilipino.
we'll mix it
Maraming salamat
like
sa
this.
pagdating, Jesse Robredo.
Now we're gonna ready some to take. Now we're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna mix it. We're gonna mix it.
Abis ka na.
And when it's done, we're gonna put it on oven in on 20 seconds. On 20 seconds. I mean 15 seconds.
Bayan ng Makadede, maging sa Adbongete Elementary School, baka pa rin sa Barangay San Gabriel.
And we're gonna be done very quickly and very easy. And when we're done, we're gonna taste the very quick and easy cookies to do. Oh, it's done. Good job.
Dito ang lesson maker na si Alberto Soto Bondok Sr. Kilala naman ang gusta ni Garlic Group.
And now it's cooking. It's cooked. We're gonna mix it like this. It's very a fluffy thing. Fluffy and sticky thing.
May namatay na nga dito
It's a Yama. Yama and yummy Yama.
It's a Chocomos.
I
mean Chocobos.
but it
Get
looks
a
like,
toothpick.
and we're gonna get some one toothpaste. Go like that.
And then you twist it with the Chocobos. Do it like this. Do it like this.
Like this.
Like this.
Yeah. It's very good to eat.
Sino? Si Saba? Saba.
It's very sticky and very hard to get.
And when you're gonna taste it, it's very yummy. Can't believe this. How yummy is it?
Look at this.
It's very sticky because
And very hot.
look at this, look like a yama. Yama in yama, you know.
Ako na mga kayabuhan ng kata.
Very good. And this is a quick show and recording Hennessy Habal with my cousin Alvin.
Thanks for watching.